Good morning, good morning, good morning, people. How's it going? Today, we're going to be talking about candlestick patterns, and the one in particular is going to be the evening star. Let's get into it. Now we're in the video, I'll talk about the evening star pattern, just the basics, what it looks like, and what it does. So, an evening star pattern is a bearish reversal candlestick, which contains of a minimum of 3 candlesticks, a large bullish candlestick up, and then a small body candlestick before a huge bearish candlestick down. An evening star pattern appears at the top of an uptrend, signifying the uptrend is nearly at its peak. This can also be flipped. It's called a morning star pattern. You'll see it in 2 places mainly, at the end of a correction in an uptrend and at the bottom of the market in a downtrend. This is where we'll see a huge bearish candlestick before a small bodied candlestick at the bottom, and then a huge bullish candlestick going upwards. As always with my videos, we have to go through the psychology behind it, and it's so simple. All it is, with the first red candlestick, bears are pushing the market lower, and then at the bottom, this is where the bears are starting to come out, taking the sells out, and this is where buyers start to come in, and this is what gives us an equal amount of buyers and sellers, not really moving the market that much. This is what gives us the small doji candlestick or the small body candlestick in general. And after, buyers get greed and FOMO because they don't want to miss out on the trade, pushing the last leg of the candle upwards. This is what gives us the green candlestick at the end. Right, so now we're in the live markets, and as you can see, the market has already created a trend change here. So whenever we're looking for any evening star patterns, we'll always look for it at the end of a correction. A correction is where market makes a high, and then this part here is the correction, the pull backwards, and then that's the continuation. It's so simple. So all it is, I'll go through this in another video. All it is impulse, correction, continuation. Super simple. Whenever we look for an evening star pattern or morning star pattern in an uptrend, we'll always find it at the end of a correction, about here. Okay, so let's see if price makes any sense of correction. So there we go. We already see this here is the correction because it's made a lower low than this. Right. So now we'll be looking for the morning star pattern, which will be super simple. And boom, there we go. There's our first morning star pattern, clear as day. This is the bearish down before a small body candlestick there, and then a huge bullish up. We would enter at the break. So at the break of this one, we'll put a stop loss below the lowest part of it, and then I'll take profit to make new highs. As we will see, boom, there we go. So there's already our first one. A risk ratio we'll call it 1 to 5 just to make it simple, round numbers. 1 to 5, boom, finished. We'll just mark it out for later, and then we want to just do the same again and again and again until we get used to seeing them, until we feel like we're pro at seeing them. So there we go, we've seen one here. It's a small one and it's just a bit different. All it is a bearish down with 2 indecision candlesticks, we'll call them. That's what I will call them, 2 indecision candlesticks before a decision candlestick bullish. So we could, if we wanted to, place the trade at the neck here, setting our stop loss below here, and you know what, keep our take profit around the same place. No, we'll do it 1 to 3. Okay, as we can see right there, and let's just play the market out, and boom. Of course, we've just scraped it there, but still we followed our method of keeping it underneath the market here, and we've got our 1 to 3 already. So we're already 5.5% up, and let's see if there's any more in the market. So we see here the impulse, and then this possibly could be a correction. We're unsure. Don't forget that we've also seen one here. We just missed it out. We didn't get it in time. And let's see. Okay, so there's more correction. And do you see anything? I do not see anything. So there's one here. So say that we're here, and it's simple. So all we see is a bearish down and then indecision candlestick for then a huge decision candlestick upwards. Where would you place this trade? Bullish or bearish? Is it a buy or is it a sell? Now personally, I will go with a buy to make new highs here. This is a 4-1, setting our stop loss below any recent lows. Let's play this out. Boom, there we go. So just like that, in 1, 2, 3 trades, this is a risk ratio of 1-7. We'll call it 1-5 for round numbers. This is a 3, so 5.5 up, and then this is a 4, which shit is 9.5. So we're already 9.5% up. This has been a great video. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button just underneath me, and hit the like button on the bottom of the video. Thank you very much. I'll see you later. Skabosh.